Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing what you currently do and why, rate discomfort from 0 to 10, and notice pressure points. Once done, choose a pillow strategy. Thin under head, wedge for incline, or a body pillow for side support. Make sure your mattress firmness matches the plan. Softer surfaces need more pillow support. Begin the first move now. Roll toward the direction you want to train, pause, and breathe slowly while maintaining spinal alignment. You continue by making controlled, repeatable adjustments while lying down. Move in small increments to avoid muscle strain, about 10 to 15 degrees per session. Once settled, place a pillow between knees for side positions or under knees for back sleeping to preserve lumbar curve. Make sure your shoulders and hips stay stacked. Adjust the head pillow for neutral neck alignment. Repeat this process nightly and practice a simple breathing routine. You finish by locking the change into habit. Use the same pre-sleep sequence and maintain the new position for at least 21 to 30 nights. Make sure to increment only when pain-free. If you feel discomfort, back up one step and reduce the angle by half. To troubleshoot, check pillow height and mattress support. Consider swapping materials or adding a thin topper. Finally, track progress with gentle alarms or a sleep tracker, and adjust gradually until the new position feels natural.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.